Sweet, I think it's recording. Alright, hey, it's Gamzee'z here, and I'm gonna teach you how to make car cat horns out of Easter eggs. Yeah. I'm like, dude, I'm a genius for thinking of this. But it's not really that genius, it's pretty easy. Anyways, you take a couple of regular old Easter eggs, and this is kind of cool. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave them so that you can take them apart so you can put stuff in them. I don't know if car cat can do that or not. I hope he can't. Let me get some tunes here. Basically, I have a hot glue gun, a hairband, glue sticks, water in a can, which I don't really want to spill, paintbrush, black paint for the headband, red paint for the bottom of the horns, orange paint for the middle of the horns, and yellow paint for the top of the horns. Yes, yellow. And then these are my fail versions, which aren't even painted. They just happen to be orange and yellow. And then, my glue stick fell over. Or glue thingy. Motherfucker. Okay. Now, let's get started. First, I don't think you need to, oh god. Yes, I made these horns in PE. They're, art. Yes, I made them in PE. I don't even have PE this year. Sorry, I'm really tired. I made these out of paper mache, and basically they were for my Demon Form Sebastian cosplay, and then I painted over them when I got into Homestuck, which I still don't know everything about, but I'm reading it, and it's freaking BAMF so far. Yeah, I'll put a link down there if you haven't seen Homestuck or know what I'm talking about, so that you can go to Paint Adventures, MS Paint Adventures, and read it. Because you need to read it if you haven't, because it's badass. HoNk. Yeah. Anyways, whoops. I'm gonna get some tunes, and you can watch me paint and glue the horns, because that'll be amusing, hopefully, maybe. We'll see. Alright, here we go. That should be good. Oh, dude, this is my theme song. My fail Fago. And my fail horn. and I don't know if you can hear me, but my eggs have like little swirly shit on them, and what the hell? You don't want that motherfucking shit on your eggs. Get some eggs that don't have swirly shit. My computer's being gay.